Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable Judge, respected teachers, dear friend, and all of my beloved fellow santri. First of all, let us give our deepest gratitude to Allah SWT who has blessed us with health, faith, and knowledge so that we can gather here today. Salawat and salam may always be upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has brought us from the darkness to the light of Islam. Ladies and gentlemen, today I am truly honored to speak before you on the theme that is very close to our creating with language, thriving with Santi spirit. Language is not just a tool for communication. Language is a bridge that connects mind, heart, and culture. With language, knowledge can be shared and wisdom can be preserved. For us as santri, mastering language means mastering the key to influence and inspiration. Arabic connects us to the Quran and Islamic religion. English connects us to the global world of science and technology. And our Indonesian language connects us to the spirit of our nation. Santri are not only known for their faith and discipline. Santri are creative thinker and hard worker. From our humble pesantren, we can create something like big poems, speech, visual content, books, or even a social movement that brings positive change to society. Remember, my friend, being a santri is not a limit. It is a starting point, a source of inspiration. Because we live with sincerity, passion, and knowledge. And our work will always carry blessing and wisdom. To create with language means to use our word wisely. Just like to motivate, to educate, to inspire, and not to hurt others in this era. Did you know words can be more powerful than weapons? So let us be smart and responsible, just like creator santri who use their language to spread peace, believing truth, and show kindness instead of hatred. As santri in 21st century, we must be ready to face the future. We must start with confidence, we must speak with confidence, write with creativity, and think with wisdom. So, when we master language, we master Arabic for the religion, English for creativity, and Indonesian for our unity. So, we can show and rise and show that santri can shine, santri can lead, santri can thrive. Before I end, let me remind all of us. The tongue of santri is not just for only prayer. It is for inspiration. The notes of a santri is not only for note, but also for creativity. So let's continue to create. Clarify, inspire our nation with the life of knowledge and beauty of language. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.